Namaste. I hope everybody is in good health. Often we talk about entrepreneurship, but just by opening the shop, you will not be able to sell your goods and services. So, today we have with us Mr. Arijit Bhattacharya. Now, talking about Sir. Sir is the founder and chairman of the World Leader Summit, International Business Chamber in 90 countries, and is a mentor in INC. We'll talk about Sir. We'll talk about his journey, what he does. He wears couple of hats. I would like to welcome you to Turiya Talk, Sir.
Thank you so much. Pleasure to be here.
Now, talking about a guest, Mr. Ajit Bhattacharya, sir is no doubt a very, very successful serial entrepreneur. Not only that, he's a management professor, startup mentor, technologist, angel investor, artist, public speaker, innovator, and government advisor to couple of forums. Now, whatever sir would say, I think these are some golden words. I would like to ask you your suggestion to budding entrepreneurs of today. How should they follow their dream in the COVID-19 pandemic situation of today, sir?
Okay, let me first, probably I will break a lot of myth which people usually convey, at least in eastern part of India. I'm really sorry about this statement, but I've been watching this eastern part of ecosystem for last, I don't know, maybe over 23 years when I started. I was young then, I was 17 then, had no clue where to go, how to start. And I had a deep passion to start a technology company which will cater probably into game development, into animation, probably into a complete AI-enabled system. And when I look at the ecosystem, when we talk about a word called entrepreneur, businessman, and trader, three are the very crucial and important part in the ecosystem. So if you started your shop, that doesn't mean that you are an entrepreneur. If you started your shop, it may be you are a businessman. Nothing wrong in it. Calling yourself as a businessman, that's perfectly fine. Entrepreneurs are a different kind of breed who usually work out of number one, passion. They don't care about the money first. They don't actually look for money, to be very honest. Number two, their business model is completely innovative, which is unique, not there in the probably in the entire country. It can be a continent, it can be the world. Okay, and the people who are completely different than others, we usually call them as innovator. It can be on technology, it can be in non-technology. Technology doesn't mean IT. Technology can be probably agriculture technology, it can be robotics, it can be healthcare, it doesn't matter. But once you are completely unique, your business model is completely unique, and that cannot be replicated and copied, we usually call themselves as entrepreneurs. Now, coming back to your question, how during pandemic one can survive and continue and move, man, this is the golden opportunity. Look at you, you are communicating with people utilizing internet. People are giving you time. One of the biggest reason is during pandemic, people have no option but to work from their home. So the travel
Absolutely.
time, yeah, so the travel time became really less and rather zero for a lot of people. So if I'm traveling out of India, I would probably take, say, 10 hours for the whole journey, flight, movement, etc. But when I'm in my own home, I'm communicating, you as an entrepreneur will get an option to connect with people who are sitting at home communicating through internet. So build your network. That's number one. Business or entrepreneurship is all about who you know and how you know, right? So if you can create your great network of people, I think that's great opportunity to communicate and connect. A lot of people usually are asking me that, I mean, are we raising funds? Are we investing money into the startup during pandemic? Of course, yes. This is another part of the ball game. This is another great option from the investor's perspective to invest in ventures. None of the investor will invest money out of love, to be very honest. Let me
Absolutely.
break another
Yes.
myth. No one will invest money because they love you. No, they would love to multiply their own money. So during pandemic, if you are trying to raise fund and you are okay to dilute your equity, and that probably from the investor's perspective, that probably visualized as a great option and opportunity to invest in, and maybe after 3 years you may be profitable, and your team really is committed, and you are committed, and you are honest and smart, investments are also happening. So this time is one of the best time to do three things: network, raise fund, number three, collaboration. That's the biggest thing that people can ever think of. Can I give you some examples, Sandhya? Is it fine?
Yes, please, please. The
Super.
stage is all yours, sir.
Last year during pandemic in 2020, I was actually talking to one really connected woman from Africa, and we have been talking with each other. She was taking my interview, and she asked me a question that, Arijit, during this pandemic time, I don't know how our hotels can be monetized in our country. I don't know how these people can survive. So there was a very simple solution from probably a gray-haired person like me. I asked them that, okay, can you convert your hotel into a co-working space? Ask people to come to your hotel, pay a very basic fees, because in any way you are not making money. Okay, you're just burning it. You have to continue your people. You have to continue the whole infrastructure, electricity, etc. So why don't you open up your hotel just like a sophisticated co-working place? Ask people to come with their family. Put it on a rent for a corporate company. They will bring their employees into the hotel because companies cannot open during this pandemic time. Once they are there, every room is separated. Give them internet connectivity. Let them enjoy the hotel, food, communications, connectivity, and the company can actually take a floor and they can continue the journey. You know what happened? They actually did it. And by this way, the hotel didn't make loss. For the company, they didn't lose money. People, they didn't lose their job. So it's all about how you can think, how you can execute, and how you can collaborate. I think this is one of the best example of collaboration between the, the hotel industry with probably the IT and technology industry.
Absolutely right. Few more examples, I would be very, very happy. And rather, our audience and viewers would be keen to know these.
Okay, the increment of organic food has been increased like anything during this time. People became health conscious who used to not to be health conscious earlier. We used to shout that, you should do workout, you should sleep, you should eat healthy food, forget about all those sophisticated junk foods, escape them. But people didn't listen. Look what happened during pandemic. At least 20 to 25% of, I would say, Indians, they became health conscious. They understood that AC is not good for health. Junk food is not good for health. Probably they can balance their lifestyle. And you know what happened during this pandemic? A lot of startups who started their journey by talking people that, okay, you know what? I'm a nutritionist. I understand how to go for proper nutrition. I can actually help you to reduce your body fat. It's not about weight. That's another myth. That's another bad concept. We are not losing weight. You're not supposed to lose weight. You're supposed to lose your bad fat, saturated fat from body, okay, and gain muscle. Anyway, so all these kind of business, they metaphored into complete different structure, and they went go global. I know personally at least four different venture which actually floated from Europe, and they started their operation from Asia, and they multiplied it like anything in the last 1 year. One of them is raising fund at the moment. The only reason is they see the growth and they need a growth fund. So if you look at these segments, people are probably looking for more and more livelihood and sophistication, and these things are increasing day by day. I can go on. Like during this pandemic, I was actually mentoring one startup based out of US. I became their board member very recently. They created a solution which can float your mobile utilizing a hovercraft technology. All this happened because that scientist, he got a lot of time to work on his dream project. And he took around 6 to 7 months to make it possible, created the prototype, and now they are actually raising money because they are growing day in and day out. So all I'm speaking about, growth, growing money, you see people are raising money on the growth stage. Sandhya, you know what? A lot of idea stage people, they usually come, they usually talk, they usually, interact, they try to raise fund, they say that my idea is amazing. Guys, it's not about your idea. Nobody cares about your idea. Until unless you executed that, until unless you're showing some traction, it's not going to happen. And in idea stage, if you want somebody to mentor you, it is possible. But in idea stage, if you ask someone to invest in, it's going to be a really challenging thing because he don't know you. You need to understand that. You can't just say, I have an idea and trust me, I can do it. How do you prove it? Until unless you have proved it. So there are certain ways. A, you have an amazing team which is well proven and they are completely committed to your venture. Completely. They don't have any other work to do. Example, somebody who is working in some MNC, he has got some big name, he joined into your company as a co-founder, maybe as a CTO. As an investor, we will think, okay, he's not committed, he's working somewhere, this is his part-time work. So this team is not a committed team. They are saying if they get money, he will leave the job and join. Not going to happen. Right?
Right. I can understand
I think I can
things.
go on, Sandhya. I think you should ask me a
Right.
question. Otherwise.
Right. Same thing with us. I think we were thinking about this agency for 4 years, and then we took 4 years to give a shape to this. So it's not easy. Just having ideas would not help, but I think what matters is execution. People do often say that failures are the stepping stones to success. So, do you have anything to say to motivate people, or do you want to share any incident of a setback that helped you to push yourself forward and play a major role in few entrepreneurs' life?
Sandhya, I don't believe in the concept of failure is the, stepping stone for success. No way. I mean, if you get a lot of failure in life, people become demotivated. Okay. That shouldn't happen. From my perspective, if I think of getting success, success for me is if I'm making smile to somebody's face. That's my kind of success definition. It may differ from person to person. But talking about failure, to be very honest, I call it as experience, right? If you are probably a student, I don't know if you're about your audience, but yeah, if you are a student or probably you're just starting your life, probably you are working somewhere and you are thinking that I will start my own venture after a certain amount of period, ask yourself a question that are you going to be happy on that? If you are happy, if that gives you happiness, pleasure, believe me or not, that's gonna work like anything. Because in then, you don't feel that you are working. You will feel that you are in love. Everything is possible when you have the same amount of passion. You are not dependent with someone. You are not thinking that, okay, fine, somebody will pump in money into your venture. That's why I'll be starting. No way. Okay. If you feel that I can execute, I should move and I should do it. And the time is now, do it. And in due course of time, if you are willing to raise fund, it's like a very simple concept in Indian perspective. Can I share you? Okay.
Right.
You asked me to go for some kind of Hindi because of your audience pool as well. एक बात समझिए, घर में अगर बेटा और बेटी दोनों हैं, अगर आपके जो कंपनी है ना उसको आप बेटी की तरह रेज कर रहे हो, तो आप सोचिए कि इन्वेस्टमेंट लाना चाहिए. अगर ये बेटा है आपका तो सपना छोड़ दीजिए. जब आप बेटा रेज करते हो ना फैमिली में, आप हमेशा सोचते हो कि बेटा तो घर में रह जाएगा, वही कमाएगा, वही मुझे देखेगा, वही पाल पोसेगा, वही सब कुछ करेगा. ठीक है. और बेटियों को हम लोग ज्यादातर, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू एवरीवन, ज्यादातर सोचते हैं कि बेटी क्या है, चलो ठीक है, बड़ा हो गया, चलो ठीक है, हो गया, चलो एजुकेशन हो गया, शादी दे देंगे, कहीं ना कहीं पे चला जाएगा, वहीं पे खुश रहेगी वो। ये कॉन्सेप्ट छोड़ दीजिए दिमाग से, तो फिर धंधे करने के लिए नहीं आएगी। ठीक है, जब आप फंड रेज कर रहे हो उस टाइम पे फैमिली टू फैमिली रिलेशनशिप होता है। इन्वेस्टर और इन्वेस्टी अगर बॉन्डिंग सही नहीं रहा, वो शादी का डिवोर्स होने का वो आएगा ही आएगा मुहूर्त। ठीक है, आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड इन हिंदी, संध्या, आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर
Please.
दैट, आई एम ट्राइंग माय बेस्ट।
Right.
बट अगर आपका ख्याल ऐसा है कि ये आपका बेटी है, तो बेस्ट, बेटी के लिए बेस्ट दूल्हा ढूंढना है, वो आपका इन्वेस्टर है। और जो आपके फैमिली में आएगा ना, तो आपका फैमिली तो बॉस शेयर होगा ही होगा। So if you're not ready to share your company with somebody else, which is a third party, don't ask for investment. Not gonna happen. A lot of people, they feel that I'll be sharing a 2% equity of my company and I'll be needing $2 billion investment. Well, it can happen if you have a complete patented product and you have the IP and you are someone who is a genius. That is possible. Except that case, I think it's bit of challenging. तो ये थोड़ा मजेदार चीज है, इसको लेके शायद हम लोग सेशन कर सकते हैं अलग अलग। लेकिन फंड रेजिंग ऐसे नहीं होता है कि हम लोग कैसे सोचते हैं जैसे हम लोग को सोचना चाहिए। आई कैन शेयर यू वन इंसिडेंट, probably after this meeting, probably I'll go live in my own Instagram, I'll share that. Every day my office usually receive more than 300 application for raising funds, different parts of the world. A funny story that happened today morning. Two companies, they wanted to have a meeting with me. They took the time a week back. So one of my partner is based out of Australia. I have an Australia running entity as well. It's called Avenue Global Investment Banking Company. So my partner and me, we were there on time. और हम लोग 15 मिनट से वेट कर रहे हैं, कोई नहीं आ रहा है. Then I texted that fellow that, are you coming? After 15 minutes, आधा घंटा बाद, that fellow showed his face with no video. ठीक है? And started apologizing and saying that, you know what, sir, apology, हम आ नहीं पाए, रीजन ये है कि कल रात बहुत देर रात तक काम कर रहे थे, सो गए सर. यार अगर आप ऐसे सो रहे हो, जिस दिन आपको फंड रेज करना है, आप आगे बिजनेस कैसे करोगे? अगर आप सो रहे हो, आपके टीम में से कोई दूसरा तो ज्वाइन कर सकता है ना. 2 आदमी बैठा है आपके लिए आधा घंटा. डू यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ हाफ एन आवर? आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से दैट टाइम इज मनी, टाइम इज लाइफ, बट you wasted time of 2 different professionals where I charge money for my hourly consultancy and he charged money for his hourly consultancy, right? And then you're saying that nahi aaj to nahi hoga, kal dusra din de dijiye. भाई मेरे ऐसे काम नहीं होता है. ठीक है. Second example, the second person wanted to join the same meeting and I got a text that I'm not feeling very well, so probably we can shift the meeting in some other day. Well accepted, no problem, no issues, no worries. Think of a situation. You're running a business. Somebody wants to put money, his own hard-earned money, into your venture so that both of you can grow, right? So if you don't have a team who can support you when your health condition is bad,
how will you support somebody else's money?
कैसे होगा?
Same thing. कैसे होगा?
तो ये थोड़ा ध्यान में रखिए जब भी आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो. जब मैंने चालू किया था अपना बिजनेस, मैं अकेला था. But now whenever I run any venture, any new initiative, any company, any chamber, I take people on board who is complementary to me. जो मुझे नहीं आता है उनको आता है. मुझे अगर आता भी है तो भी मैं वो देखूंगा ही नहीं, because ये उनको आता है, right? But yes, can we support each other? Like if I'm from finance and technology, can I support the guy who is into operation? Of course I need to learn. Can he support my technology and finance knowledge? Of course, because he needs to learn or she needs to learn. टीम आप ऐसे बनाइए. 4 इंजीनियर दोस्त मिलके कंपनी बनाना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन उसके अंदर 1 या 2 लोग लाइए जिसको फाइनेंस का नॉलेज हो, जिसको मार्केटिंग का नॉलेज हो. ये बढ़िया होता है. I think I'm taking a lot of time of yours, 24
No,
minutes.
no, no. Please, I think I am just trying to understand even what I am doing or where Turiya is going wrong. So I think what we are, it's all about team. It's all about teamwork. So I think by listening to you, I think I am on the right path.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah. So
sure.
I make sure that one work, two, three people should know the same work. If I'm not around, second will take charge. And the day I get very upset, I tell my people कि अगर तीन लोग भी इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते तो एजेंसी बंद कर दो. So
नहीं,
first
बंद नहीं
first
करना है.
वो तो
मैं
गुस्से
आपको
में
एक छोटा
बोलते
सा
हैं.
इनपुट दे रहा हूँ संध्या.
वो
संध्या, मैं
वो तो
आपको एक
गुस्से
छोटा
में
सा
बोलते
इनपुट
हैं
दे
उस
रहा हूँ.
लोगों को.
मैं आपको एक छोटा सा इनपुट दे रहा हूँ संध्या.
हम्म,
जितना मैंने देखा है, आई वुड नॉट से दैट आई हैव सीन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड,
हम्म,
but I have been talking to one of my friend, and it's funny that she was telling me that, you know what, you are traveling the world. That doesn't mean that you have seen the world. I can also, I know everything because I can also connect with people. I can also, know things from internet, and I have friends in various different countries, so I know what is going on in the world. Trust me or not, Sandhya, until unless you travel, until unless you meet with people, do you realize how they smell? Do you know how the food is tasting? Do you know the smell of the nature? Can you understand the warm welcome of a community when you are traveling from one country to another country who don't speak in English? Probably they are speaking in Ukrainian or maybe Hebrew or maybe Egyptian. Do you know how they are greeting you? Do you know how the whole economy works in their country? Have you visited their bank? Have you visited their government? Do you know the legal system? ये नहीं होता, right? तो दो तरीके से हम लोग सोच सकते हैं, इस चीज को एड्रेस कर सकते हैं. एक है हम लोग ऑपरेशन सही करेंगे, दूसरा है कंपनी का एक फेस बनाएंगे. जो फेस है, he or she will be the face. He will speak, communicate, connect, bring things in, right? And the second part of the team will do all the operations, legal part, manage everything and give input to the guy who is moving to the market. ये दोनों चीज अगर एक एक बंदा कर रहा है, एक बंदा बंदी जो भी बोलिए, एक बंदा या बंदी कर रहा है, perfect, no problem, no issues. But faster growth happens when you have amazing team. And Sandhya, जितना मैंने देखा है, women run business are well managed rather than men run business. Being a man, I'm giving you this statement. I've seen enough startup pitches, SMEs, MSMEs. ज्यादा दूर नहीं जाते हैं, थोड़ा इंडिया में रहते हैं, ठीक है. साउदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, केरला, मदुराई के पास, आई नो अ लेडी, शी इज एजेड. She runs approximate 5-7 different village with all handicrafts women coming together. They started their own venture. They got the award. They got the money. They are doing fabulous work. मैंने आज तक वो मेन रन अभी तक नहीं देखा है. तो जिस दिन दिख जाएगा, मैं आपके शो में आके बोल दूंगा कि चलो ठीक है, हमको भी ये मिल गया. चलो, मतलब 1000 लोग एक साथ एक थाली में खा रहे हैं, एक ही टाइप का चिंता कर रहे हैं और बीच में फाइटिंग नहीं हो रहा है. तो मुझे लग रहा है आप सही पाथ में हो. यू आर रनिंग अमेजिंग venture, so I think it will grow like anything in future.
Right. Sir, few quick tips to entrepreneurs or would-be entrepreneurs or maybe to few managers what they should do. The successful people, they follow the same formula, whether one is a politician, whether one is a businessman, or whether a beggar begging outside Birla Mandir. So they follow few uh, mantras. So if you can give us few tips.
So for me, honestly speaking, I don't have any magical words. I just work like okay, हिंदी में कहते हैं आपके लिए because you asked for it.
Right.
राक्षस की तरह खाओ, भगवान की तरह सोचो, इंसान की तरह एग्जीक्यूट करो और दानव की तरह काम करो.
Right. Absolutely. Sir, your final message to Turiya Communications and Turiya Talks.
You will grow like anything. So I'm sure I don't need to say anything. You'll rise and shine like a sun. So wait for that.
Right. Right. Thank you. So, with your permission, we can wrap up the show.
Please. Thank you so much. My pleasure
Right.
to be here.
Thank you, sir. And I'm sure it is a pleasure to have you, not for me only, but for my entire team and my audience. Looking forward to a wholesome and inspiring discussion
My pleasure.
from
Thank you.
this video because people will learn a lot. They can understand things between the lines, and I'm sure they can implement it. Uh, be safe. We'll be back with another show soon. Thank you and namaste.